Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to make butter ice cream. First, gather your ingredients. You'll need 2 cups of heavy cream, 1 cup of whole milk, 3/4 of a cup of granulated sugar, and 1/2 cup of unsalted butter. Make sure your butter is unsalted for the best flavor. Also, have your ice cream maker ready and a freezer-safe container for storage. Now, let's create that delicious butter base. Melt 1/2 cup of unsalted butter in a saucepan over medium heat. Continue cooking it gently until it turns a light golden brown and develops a wonderful nutty aroma. Be careful not to burn it. Once browned, remove it from the heat and whisk in your 3/4 cup of sugar, 1 cup of whole milk, and 2 cups of heavy cream until well combined. After preparing your base, it's crucial to chill the mixture thoroughly in the refrigerator for at least 4 hours or even overnight. This ensures optimal churning. Once chilled, pour the mixture into your ice cream maker and churn it according to the manufacturer's instructions, typically for 20 to 30 minutes, until it reaches a soft serve consistency. Then, transfer it to an airtight container. Finally, place your container in the freezer for another 2 to 4 hours, or until the ice cream is firm enough to scoop. Now you're ready to enjoy your delicious homemade butter ice cream. Serve it plain, or with your favorite toppings like caramel sauce, toasted nuts, or a sprinkle of sea salt. For other great deals and to make meal prep easy, check out the link in the description for leak-proof containers.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.